and the first parameter is the x coordinate. It is because the move is weighted as y-x, we have to first copy the second argument, the parameter, and then the first. The color is green, so first the format, so we give maximum green and minimum for others, so nothing from other. And that's it for move, or what was it, the move snake, yeah. And then the main program comes in. For now I just don't use these. Instead I just write to the terminal game over. Obviously when we write the program is a little more things. You can write to the center of the screen with the SDL TTF, that game over. So yeah, that's it. So I just write it in here so we can see it. I hope the library is included. Yeah, iostream is included. Okay, and that's it. Oh, the last thing remains, that instead of useDip we use the SDL delay, and we use the del function variable, which is the delay. Okay, and try to compile it. Oh, I write it wrong here. I write key sim instead of key sim. Now we can compile it. 206. Oh, I copied the wrong thing. So this, you should copy this, not just the center of it. So yeah, this is okay, and the others are good, I guess. Okay, and actually we need to flip the surface. So SDL flip screen. Sorry, I forget everything, but I am live. Okay, is that anything remains? Oh, I know, we just comment out in the main.cpp the start. Now we can try to run it. Oh, yeah, I comment out this the last time. Now we can run it. Okay, somewhere we draw the bad thing. Oh yeah, as you may remember, we draw times 10. Every time we draw something, we draw the given coordinates times 10. So I think I screwed up in here, and actually a lot of places. Never mind, we just rewrite it, and probably it should work. Now try to compile and run it. Okay, here we go. As you can see, the snake games runs very good, I guess. So in this tutorial I just wanted to show you how easy is it. Oh, frack it. Ah, that's no way. Whoa, what was that? And why there is not game over? Okay, there is I hope that this is the end of the tutorial, although it is not, because the collision is somehow don't work as it should be. So find the collision thing. Here we go, and okay, I located the error. Somehow I don't know how, because I'm really sure that we did in the original source code. This return one is disappeared. I really don't know how, but just disappeared. whenever I go to the wall, it is over, which we are recording. Okay, so that was it. It is just as simple as that. One thing is remained, which I think we should cover, is the write of the point, and actually I think we have time. So in here we just write the point. So we create a new SDL surface. This will be the text, and before we do that, we need to include a new header file. This is the SDL/SDL ttf.h, and actually we have to initialize it. So go to the constructor, and under this SDL initialization, just initialize the TTF as well. So as a TTF init, we need a font. Actually, write the font in here. So this will be a variable. So TTF font, the font, like that. Okay, and just in here define the font. So load the font. So make font equal to TTF load font. I have a font called air.ttf, and the size 20 should be enough. It's yeah, I have this font, and let me see. Okay, we have initialized the font. Now we can use it down here where we write the points. So make a new surface called text, make test equal to TTF render text, and we make it solid. This is the quickest way. And actually, just we first write the font and then the text, which will be how many points do we have, although we have to convert it to a string. So make char c5, and I use the sprintf function again. Yeah, the sprintf function. First parameter is the c, second the format, and the first is the point. So points, like that. And I just press the C in here, and the last parameter is the color, but it's not uses the uint32 format. It's used something called SDL color. This is a structure, although you should probably know that because we already did. So color, and make it equal to what color? White color. Okay, so just pass the color in here. Okay, it will render the actual points, but it will not show it. It will actually just put in this text surface, so we have to blit it to the screen. So because we want a specific coordinate to blit it, we have to define an SDL rect as well. So make it TMP, and the coordinates are 0 and the x-axis, and 380 approximately in the y-axis. Okay, the width and the height is not matter in this case. Okay, and just use the SDL blit surface, and the first parameter is the source, so this is the text. The second is what part of the text do we want. We want the full, so the entire text. The third parameter is the source, so this is the screen, and the last parameter is where do we want to put inside the screen. We want to put the temp, so yeah, these coordinates. Okay, and one more thing remains, because as I said, we will not rewrite the screen every time. We have to draw a rectangle, a black rectangle, to delete the last text, because if we now, I think after I free the text surface, so SDL free surface text, so after I delete the text, and in the destructor I close the font. Here we go. Okay, so after I close the font, so TTF close font, and after I quit from the SDL, I can run the program and you will see the problem is, sorry, there is no load font, there is open font. Yeah. So open font. Alright, now we can run it. As you can see, whenever I get a thing like this, it's right the point, but whenever I get another one, you will see the problem. And get another one to make it there visible, so it will not rewrite that value, it will write over it. So if I do it a long time, it will be just two rectangle actually. Oh, this seems quicker and quicker. What the hell? Uh-oh, I think I screwed up somewhere in the code. Yeah. Okay, this we should fix that one either. So you can see the problem. It will not delete this text whatever we draw. Instead, if it is right over it. I hope you understand why is it happening. So to fix that, we just draw a black rectangle to override that part of the full image. Just draw a black rectangle. So actually use the draw rect function. Oh, here we go. Oh, we don't need it either. Okay. The x coordinate is 0, 380, and the color is black. So SDL map RGB. Our format will be so our format is the first and the others are 0. Okay, so yeah, this is black color, and we define a width to it. This will be 100, and the height this will be 20. Okay, and we will see it now. Okay, try to run don't bring it here. As you can see, it is now draw a black rectangle whenever I get food. Oh, frack it. Oh, okay, so the problem is in here. I just deleted 1 0 from here because I think that it is the good way, but it is not. So now just every 100 point it will be a little quicker. And actually we need to make another check, although it's probably no one that can make it 0, the delay, but who knows. So if delay bigger than 0, okay, so here we go. Our snake goes a little bit less fast, but I planned the so a second part of this snake game, call it part 2 or version 2, I don't know. So that part will be actually change the squares to images and make the to-do list. So we make a top list for that, and the menu. We can make menus right now because I haven't showed the mouse events yet, but I will cover in the future, I guess. Okay, so it is the game, and every 100 points it will be a little, almost, it will be a little quicker, and so on. So yeah, this is it. Oh, frack it, it's not work. Right, somewhere there is a bug, but I will not find it for you right now. It's in the, so this bug is inside the putwood function, and just if I see it, okay, I leave it to you to search this error. I think this tutorial is already too long, actually longer than I wanted, so yeah, I leave it to you. Okay, the error is probably one of these 3 lines. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day.